Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add new contractors in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple video. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the main dashboard, you can go to all apps here in the left side of your screen and go to team section, and you will find contractors. You can click on it, and then in this page you will find all of your contractors. As you can see, I only have one here. So let's say I want to add new one, you can just click add a contractor here. So it's gonna be very simple. You can just type their name and their email, and don't forget to check this. So you have to ask the contractor to complete their profile, and then you can just click add contractor, and it will be added to this page. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.